up and I shake the room.
I ain't going back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. Know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug and the wire.
Well, hello, and welcome back to My Indigo Mind. This is your host, Ty Shana, and today, honey, we are going to be talking about Liv's life. And baby, you can't make this stuff up at this point. I mean, you just can't, okay? It's like you say, oh, I ain't got no content. Oh, I ain't got no content. And then you do like this. Baby, let's get right into this video. Eh? Well, so let's talk about it. I believe it was last week sometime that Olivia came on here to take a pregnancy test. Now, a couple days before that, a lot of us reactors were saying, watch what we say. Hell, even Zolo was like, this is what's going to come next. You know what I'm saying? And if she is, it ain't me. So she comes on, she does a member only live. Then she releases that to the public, showing that this pregnancy test that she took was positive. So, you know what? I'm never upset about a new baby if this is real. You know what I'm saying? What I am upset about is the fact that if you are pregnant, bringing kids into your fucking toxicity, honey, you're broken, and your brokenness is just going to keep rubbing off on your children, dingbat. You are special case, miss. At least I'm married, and all my kids is by my husband. Can't say that no more. Can ya? If you are, honey. A lady. Baby, look. If you wasted your time, matter of fact, she probably didn't even waste her time because she probably got a stake of them bitches. Because she do it every year. Every year around the same time. 'Tis the season to be thoughtlicious. And just be up here making yourself look crazy. Was it not you? Was it not you? Just the other day, was it not you just the other day talking about how this woman had all these kids by these different men that she ain't know? What you think you doing exposing your J-Day to all these men that you don't know, that you claim to know for a long time every time you just meet them? Bish, I'm sick of you. In real life, we say, because at this point, a man doesn't even really have to do too much to get your attention. Oh, don't get mad because I pull men. You pull dusties. Not to be confused with men just because they have penises. Okay? Okay. Let's be very clear here. Olivia can't be alone. She's not capable of sitting with her own thoughts, because then when she think about it, it causes her to have to change these horrible fucking things about herself. And the girl don't want to confront these things. She don't want to confront the fact that she's a fucking narcissist who don't give a fuck about nobody else but herself. So she rather attack you when you have an opinion on her shit, but she could run around having an opinion on everybody else's. She don't even know that woman that Gerard is with, but she have an opinion on her. Oh, you with a married man, bitch? We're not even gonna do that. We're not even gonna do that. Cause you ain't played a wifely role either. The stuff you was doing up here on this internet, honey, to him was ridiculous. You act like you innocent, and I am far from saying that is without fault. I'm just saying that the things that you did as a wife were out of the fuck line. It was out of line. So how long did you think that he was going to continue to sit there and just keep taking it and letting you spit on him basically before he said enough is enough? I mean, everyone's tolerance level is different. Everyone's not going to take shit the way other people take it. Some people nip that shit in the bud from the beginning, which is the type I am, and some people let it linger and linger and linger until they can't take no more. And then you have shows like First 48. You said what? CSI. Without a trace. We say cold case. Because y'all want to play with people's emotions, and y'all really need to stop doing that. Some people can't handle that shit. So here we are, you fell in bed with another man that ain't going to either put a ring on your finger, respect you, because for him to come out of the blue and knock your ass up, if this is real, and I have to keep saying that because you never know with Olivia, because see, she's the type that'll come back in a couple of weeks talking about some she miscarried to get that I miscarried money. Go ahead, mark my fucking word. Y'all think that they not fucking small enough minded to do shit like that? Like, come on, sis. Stop playing on people's emotions. Stop playing on people's intelligence. And most of all, remember that there are a lot of women out here that want children, that can't have them, that will want nothing more than to carry their little baby to full term and love them more than life itself. And you hoes out here getting pregnant back to back to back to back and treating them like they asked you to be here. They didn't ask you to thought box. They didn't ask you to lay on your back. They didn't ask you to toot it up. They didn't ask you. Okay? So when you made the decision to then become their mommy, why is that their fault again? Tragic. So now another man is going to be in the picture. Rings and da-da-da. You went and picked the last one up. But in the halfway house, sis, at this moment in time, you truly, and I'm going to keep saying until you get it right, need to reevaluate. Because bringing another baby into your fucking bullshit is not conducive to another life or the ones you have hawking the planet right now. Am I speaking slow enough, Olivia? I swear, girl, you earning a snatch. I'm telling you. You couldn't have been my sister. You could have been my cousin. You could have been a friend. Because I promise you, I would have read you to the gods a long time ago. Not on no embarrassing sheet. Not in front of no whole bunch of people. But really pulled you to the side on some sis. You're fucking breaking down. Day by day, you're crumbling. And you are trying your hardest to remain this so-called boss beach, air quotes included, in a time where you need to let your heart break so you can get over that shit. You want to be big Billy badass so bad that you don't want to let your heart break. That's years of love and togetherness and family and all of the things, the fighting, the getting back together, the this and that. That takes time to heal from. And hopping from penis to penis, staying distracted will not change that, sis. Huh? What you say? Huh? Oh, okay. Because I know I'm right. I know it. That's why your ass is quiet. Crickets, okay? Get your priorities in order. You quick to tell somebody else to get their priorities in order. You get your priorities in order, sis. Because at this point, you looking crazy. Uh-huh. And that's straight talk. Chaser. And this has been my Indigo Mind, your host, Ty Shana. And thank you for watching another video with me, Flawless Nation. If you are not part of the nation yet, what are you waiting for? Go on ahead, hit that subscribe button, sis, honey. All we do is keep it real over here, honey. We always can agree to disagree. Okay, no love lost. And if this wasn't the video for you, whether thumbs up or thumbs down, I'm sure there's something on my page that you'll like or find intellectual value in. But I got to go. So, later for now. Bye.
I ain't going back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire. Hold that.